Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to change material in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use a UV sphere. We can go to Add, Merge. We can add a UV sphere. Close up to view it, and then I right click and choose Straight Smooth to make it look smooth. And then we can change to Material Preview to preview the material. Now we can switch to Material Properties. And we can see that there is not any material, so we can add new material. I make it glossy blue and change the base color to blue and make it glossy. I reduce the roughness to 0.1. So this is the first material, glossy blue. Now if you want to change to another material, we can click here to create a new material. To duplicate the glossy blue, and then we can change the name. I call it metal and change the base color to white. And roughness, I keep it in 0.2 and metallic at 22 run. So this is a simple metal material. Now if you want to change the material, we can use browse material to be linked. Click it. We can switch to glossy blue. We can do it again. We can change to metal. We can change to glossy blue. Now, if you want to change material for selected faces, we can select the object and go to Edit Mode. We can switch to face selection and select the face we want to change. For example, I select these faces and then I add one more material slot and switch it to metal. Make sure that we select the face and select the material that we want to assign and click Assign. So this is how we can change material in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.